Welcome to Money Saving Mama, and I am here today with a school backpack food haul, okay, better known as school backpack program. Every Friday, my son receives a bag in his backpack. That Walmart bag right there is what we received this week. In the bag is a variety of items, lots of snacky items, things that are shelf stable, uh, lots of items we use up by the end of the weekend. Okay. It's only for elementary school children, and the program is provided by local churches. My daughter, who is in high school, still wishes she receives a bag, but she no longer does. The teachers go ahead and throw the bags into the backpacks. Better yet, place the bags into the backpacks just before the kids go home on a Friday. I do like that it's all shelf stable stuff because my son does ride the bus for an hour. So if they were putting in anything that needed to be refrigerated, at least this stuff will not go bad. Starting off, we got just a little bit of a variety trail mix. It's got some raisins and peanuts, and he loves to pick out those little M&Ms in there and munch on those first. Then he'll go to the raisins, and a lot of times he will leave the peanuts for me. But my daughter will share that because a lot of these items he will share with his sister. We got a Nature Valley protein bar, and this is peanut butter and dark chocolate, gluten-free. And I like that it's a granola bar, but it also has a little bit of protein. And that's the problem with some of these granola bars out there. It's a granola bar, okay, but it doesn't have any protein in it. So it seems like almost like wasted calories. So both of those items, I'm seeing the peanuts have the protein bar, a good sources of protein here. Then we got this little cup of fruit. It looks like peaches. Sometimes we get mandarin oranges. This time we just received peaches. I have not recall in a few years getting. We used to get applesauce for a while, applesauce cups, which that was nice too. But it's even nicer to receive some fruit that we don't normally get because we usually do receive a lot of applesauce cups from the food bank. We'll skip on to the back. We got some organic whole milk that's shelf stable. Excellent. So my son, this is what he will do. Saturday morning, he will take this out of the fridge and pick which cereal he wants. And he's all set. He just really likes that they're like his size versions. And they're the variety that kids like. So these churches are really thinking about what children like. Frosted Flakes, oh, there's Tony the Tiger, and Apple Jacks. I mean, we're not going with, the Raisin Bran or the shredded wheat or things like that. We're going with kid friendly, kid like these, they still got they're fortified with vitamins and minerals and stuff like that. But kids like these. So kids enjoy eating them. Just a juice box, a Kool-Aid, cherry flavor. Sometimes we get Hawaiian Punch. Sometimes it's Capri Sun. All different, flavors. And this will go fast. If we're home all day on a Saturday, my son will probably eat everything here on a Saturday. Some little sausages, Vienna sausages, and nice enough, he can just pop that top himself. We do have to watch the corners because he's not very good with his fingers. We're still working on tying his shoes, guys. So, we work on it. And then on another, let's see, Chef Boyardee, beef and ravioli. So this is another just easy meal for him. He can have with some of the fruit. It has 8 grams of protein. It does have a lot of salt, so this isn't something that like we eat every day. But It's something we receive from the school. We are very grateful to receive it. It's something my son can, with, a little bit of my help. I don't let him do this on his own. I will tell you that. But I can help him because I feel like that when they pop the top in there too, especially with this, they could cut themselves. So I am usually, or my daughter is very close by, my husband very close by when he would be using those. Um, and they're thinking of kids when you see Disney characters here. Disney, Mickey and Friends, Pasta and Cheddar by Annie's. Now, I think it's because Annie's, it's kind of healthy. It's still got a lot of ingredients, and it's 7 grams of protein. So, this is something, and they're still going with the stuff kids like, that kids can eat real quick. So that's something nice. And guys, I'm just doing this haul today to show you what exactly the kids receive in the backpack program bags on a Friday. So you can see. Maybe you don't even know. Maybe you don't have kids. Maybe you got nieces or nephews that receive a bag from the school. Maybe they're receiving something like this. Maybe it's totally different where you live. But this is what we receive. We are very, very thankful every weekend when we get the bag in the backpack and pop that in the fridge, And like I said, if we're home, these are going fast, guys. Friday night, he might even be eating a few of these, as snacks into the evening. And go ahead and smash that like button. Please make sure you're subscribed if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell. Go ahead and share my channel with anyone who would like to see food bank hauls, would like to see different variety hauls, like the school backpack program haul like this. And I will see you in the next Money Saving Mama video.